Hey there, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a hot topic that's been buzzing around in the digital world, creating and selling online courses. Can we just take a moment to appreciate the sheer explosion of online learning recently? The numbers are insane, guys. People are hopping onto online courses left, right, and center, exploring everything from underwater basket weaving to coding like a tech wizard. And the best part? You can learn at your own pace, in your PJs, with a cup of coffee in hand. What's not to love about that? Now, imagine this. You can turn your passion into profit. Creating online courses is like planting seeds that grow into money trees, passive income, just waiting to be plucked. Plus, think about it. You're not limited to your neighborhood. You're reaching students worldwide, unlocking niche markets you never knew existed. Oh, and did I mention the low overhead costs? It's a win-win-win. So, how can you get in on this action, you ask? Step 1. Find your expertise sweet spot and a topic people are drooling to learn about. Step 2. Sprinkle your unique magic into creating course content that makes their eyes light up. Step 3. Pick the perfect platform to host your course, set a price that's irresistible, and shout about it from the rooftops to reel in those students. All right, it's showtime. Get your personal brand game on point and let the world know you're the real deal. Surf the social media wave, slide into those email inboxes, and lure in students with irresistible promos and the old FOMO trick. Here's where the magic happens. Turn your course into a roller coaster ride of fun quizzes to test their knowledge, assignments to challenge them, and discussions to get those brain juices flowing. Mix in some videos, graphics, and maybe a meme or two. Keep them hooked. But hey, we're not done yet. Keep the course fresh, like a morning bagel update. Engage with your students like long-lost friends in a reunion. And hey, why not expand your empire with more courses, VIP memberships, or even one-on-one coaching sessions? The sky's the limit. Now, let me hit you with some real-life inspiration. These legends took their knowledge, sprinkled in some digital magic, and created thriving online empires. Their stories will give you that extra push to kickstart your own online course journey. Don't worry, friend. We've got your back. While the road to online course stardom might have a few bumps and turns, we're here to help you navigate. Brace yourselves for the tricky bits like keeping students engaged, outshining the competition, and not losing your mind over the tech stuff. Together, we can conquer it all. There you have it, folks. Creating and selling online courses is like having a ticket to a digital gold rush. It's a world of possibilities out there, waiting for you to jump in. So what are you waiting for? Get your creative juices flowing, your expertise sharpened, and let's rock the online course game together. Catch you in the next one. Stay awesome.